barbecue. So, in-air fry ko muna siya for 35 minutes, 350 Fahrenheit. Ito po yung raw. Yung iba nandyan na sa loob. Ayan, nasa loob yung iba dyan. Ewan ko patay yata yung ilaw. Ayan. Gusto natin yung ilaw. Ayun. So, parang 10 pieces sa loob. Ito yung raw pa. Hindi ko yung lulutuin agad kasi si mama tulog pa. Happy Labor Day! So, holiday ngayon. Si Pedro naglilinis doon. And, syempre, ako, may work pa rin ako. So, nilinisan na namin si mama. Actually, it's 11:50 na. Hindi ako nakapag-video earlier. Kasi nga, busy kami kay mama. Guys, bali, ito yung nabili namin na rack. So, medyo, parang kasing laki ko siya. Wait a minute. Ayan. Parang kasing tangkad ko siya. Look at, guys. Oh, yeah. 4'11 lang. Same size. Yeah. Ka-size ko siya. Kasing taas ko siya. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 siya na lagayan or rack. Oh, look. Kasi yung aming mga movies nandyan lang. Ang ganda niyan. How much did we pay for that? $6?
7 or 6.
$6 or $7. Ganon.
What perfect movies you took?
Yo, you have a lot na lang.
Oh my God,
yeah.
Oh, but these are the big ones.
Okay.
Tapos
ito yung table. Kasi supposedly, ano namin is Ottoman. But, ang mahal ng Ottoman eh, 50. Bibili na ni Pedro. Sabi ko, wag, kasi sayang. Ito is only like, how much it is, love?
Huh?
70? No. It's only $8. $7 or $8 again.
This is
7
7.
or $8. Yan. So,
7 something. Almost 8, yeah.
Ayan. Itatayo namin, mami. Pakita ko sa inyo kung paano ginawa. Nilinisan ni Pedro yan ng alcohol. Si Pedro mahilig yan mag-alcohol. Ayan. Ito guys, mahilig ako sa parang rustic ba ang tawag doon. Ito, ano lang to, $2.99. Pero mahal to kung bibilhin mo. Ayan, as brand new. Ang ganda niya. Tapos ito, ano siya, bakal siya. Ito yung frame na nakuha ko, $2.99 also, the same. Pero yung iba doon, $5. Kinuha ko yung tig $2.99. Pero maganda yung quality. Look, really nice. Then, ito, para sa likod, actually, $4.99. Alam nyo guys, yung mga binili kong ganito from Amazon or Temu yata, Temu siguro, it cost like, parang $8, parang ganun. So, $5 lang siya, $8 or $9. Then, ito kasi yung ilalagay ko sa ilalim nito. Yan. Dito ko yan ilalagay, guys. Para sa mga blanket. Yeah. Tarzan, brand new daw. So, yan. Ito. No, not yet, I think. So, $6.99 to. Kasi kailangan namin dito sa sala namin ng blanket kasi malamig. So, maliit lang siya. Kung may makita kami malaki, tsaka ako bibili. Pero $6.99 lang siya. Ganyan yung magiging setup niya. Pero, ayusin ko yan. Then, ito, binili ko to ng $7.49 lang. Pwede siyang sa baba. Ewan ko kung ano yung pwede ilagay dito. Siguro tissues, ganyan. No. Then, ito guys, nakita lang ako. Unicorn farts. So cute. Guessan ko yan. Ito ay, how much it is? Like $3.99 only. Pero mahal yan pag brand new. Ito, 4 na piraso, $4.99. Mangkok na ganito. Ganito kasi yung mangkok namin dyan. Nakita ko lang. Itong talagang gusto ko. Kasi ito, parang China material. $9.49 lang siya. $9.49 only. Kasi pag may mga soup, pag may bisita, wala kaming malagyan na malaki. So, ito yung mga magiging serving ano namin. So, for $9.49. Ayan, $9.50. Parang ganon. Dalawa na yung nabili namin. So, yan guys. Sulit. Bali, yung binayaran ko kahapon is nasa $61 for all of that. I really love this, guys. I really love this. I love collecting yung mga frames na rustic.
That's the original Blockbuster frame.
Yeah. So, yeah, mga binili yan ni Pedro. Love, you have a lot of space. Don't put it all.
Yeah. I'm trying to fill it.
Mahilig kasi mag-collect ng movies si Pedro. Actually, marami siyang tinapon na kasi nga wala namang paglalagyan. So, yan, kinokollect din niya yan para din pagdating ng mga anak ko. Gusto niyang i-share kay DJ, kay Faith yung movies. Ito kasi nga nung to, itong, what do you call this, love? Organizer? What do you call that?
Rack.
Yung rack na yan, ang gagawin namin, pinatanggal ko yung mga movies kasi nalagyan ko ng mga picture. Kasi yung picture namin sa baba, nagsiksikan. So, ito, magiging puro frames yan, pictures, family pictures. So, I'm trying to at least bawasan yung pictures na to kasi hindi naman makita na kasi siksikan. So, ito, ang tagal nito for 3 years. Actually, for 5 years. Itong foyer na to, ayan, ay foyer ba yan? Or, aywan ko kung foyer ba tawag dyan. Ito ay nakabalot lang, hindi ginagamit. Nandun lang sa garahe. Nakabalot lang, hindi ginagamit. Ang ganda-ganda kaya niya. Nung nag-decide ako, sabi ko, tanggalin natin sa plastic kasi ang ganda-ganda niya. Yan, dito ko siya nilagay. Nilagay ko yung mga pictures namin. Ito, din to, sa thrift shop din to, guys. Look at that, $3.99 only. Lalagyan ko to ng scented candles. So, yeah. Ito, thrift shop din to mga to, guys. Yan, $2.99 only. Ang ganda niya. Rustic yung kulay. Or puti. Doon ako nagpi-play lang. Ito bago to. Brand new to. Ito, regalo to sa akin. Nung family nung pasyente namin. Tapos ito, thrift shop din to, guys. So, ang ganda, oh. Diba? Parang $2.99 lang din yan. Ito, parang thrift shop din to. Ganda lang ng materials niya. Mabigat din to, guys. So, parang din yan. I know, parang $4.99 to kasi malaki. Yan yung family ng asawa ko. Kapatid niya to. Ito yung dalawa niyang anak. So, ito kami nung Christmas 2 years ago, I think. Or last year. Si mama, kami. Ito, last Christmas lang to. Last Christmas. Kasi yung anak ko, nanay ko, yan. Ito, 2018 pa to, guys. Si Pedro. First time namin nag-meet. Sa Baguio po yan. Ito sa Benguet. Benguet, Baguio. Museum to eh. Tapos ito po yung family ko sa Pilipinas. Anak ko, pamangkin ko, kapatid ko, nanay ko. Yung anak ko, nung nag-graduate sila. Ito po, ito si Pedro. So cute, right? Ito po yung kasal namin. Yan, 2022 po. So, yan. Dadagdagan ko yan, pero doon na sa taas. Tapos, tatanggalin ko yung iba dyan para naman hindi masyadong sikip. Pero, ito din po to. Thrift shop din po ito. I think thrift shop din po ito. No. Sa Rosto. Magandang klase to sa Rosto. Ito, Ross din to. Ito, medyo mahal din sa Ross eh. $7, $8. $9, $10, ganun. Ito rin to, nasa $3.44 or $4. Sa thrift shop din to, ang ganda, wood siya. Yeah, di ba guys, ang ganda. Tapos I'm trying to look for yung parang dried na bulaklak. Wala pa akong makita, wala pa akong matsyempuhan. Tapos yung salamin na yun, guys. Ganda lang din, rustic. Ito, sa kanila na tumatagal na. Hindi ko alam kung paano namin ihahang to. Sayang lang kasi, yan lang. Nakatago lang. Sobrang bango, guys. Ang bango nung niluluto ko. Ito guys, I really like that piece also. This is parang lata. Ganda rin yan guys. So, sobrang ganda. Tapos itong plant na to, kay mama daw to, regalo kay mama. This is a $3. How many years is this though? How many years is this? 15 years? No.
17 to 20.
No, the age of mama's friend son.
Son, oh my God.
16 years ago eh.
16 to 17.
16 to 17 years ago.
Yeah, easily.
So, sabi ko kay Pedro, we just wanted to, if lilipat kami ng Pilipinas, gusto ko isama to. If ever. Kasi talagang memorable yan. So, 9 minutes na lang yung kailangan natin. Yeah. Beside your TVs. Because that will be your collection. Then, lulutuin natin yan. After cooking it, lulutuin natin yan sa, parang isusutay natin sa gulay. Bell pepper. Mamaya, pakita ko. Ayun na guys, iwan na tayo, prepare na tayo ng vegetables. Ito, red bell pepper. Habang binobroil ni Pedro, broil na lang.
No, well, we're broiling for the crispy outside, but we were, what was the first one? I can't see it, but...
So, bell pepper. Lagyan natin. Iano ko lang, magsusutay lang ako ng vegetables. Kasi, para hindi lang basta karne yung kainin namin. Magsutay tayo ng vegetable. So, sutay lang natin yan. So, pag sutay natin, half cook lang.
Not roast, broil. We roasted them first and then you're broiling them now.
Ni-roast namin yung unang salang dun sa ribs, ni-roast namin yon. Then, ngayon, broil to make it crispier.
Yes. Got an idea.
Tapos, this is no peas. Ito yung sitsaro sa atin. So, masarap to pag half-cook lang. Tapos, magpa-fried rice lang ako later. Pero konti lang yung kanin namin. I'm trying to let Pedro eat vegetables kasi. Although kumakain naman siya ng vegetables, he eats vegetable. It's just that he doesn't know lots of vegetables. Of course, nobody do that to her. To him. Nobody cooks for him before introducing all of these vegetables. Remember, Mama doesn't like vegetable. Of course, whoever cooks it, kung ano lang yung alam niyang kainin, yun lang niya papakain niya sa anak niya. So that's what happened here. Even Gordo doesn't eat lots of vegetables. But now, they're eating vegetable. Even my patients before, yung sa facility na pinagtatrabahuan ko, they don't eat vegetable a lot. But then, I cook for them. I think they don't have choice but to eat the vegetable that I cook. And it's so important, guys. It's really important that they eat vegetable. Especially in their age. I don't want to give them what do you call that, love? Like with preservatives or canned goods. Because a lot of the care home here, they're just giving like canned goods. Yeah, that's the system here. So they're just feeding their patients with canned goods. So it's not good for them. So we're trying them to eat vegetable at least. And of course, since I told you guys that my mother-in-law is now my employer, so she is my boss. So of course, I need to make sure that my boss will eat good food. So, yung magiging healthy siya. Kasi I believe that everywhere you go, every job that you have, you should have the dedication, the love. No, that's for outside, I think.
Also the toilet.
Yeah, on top or there. On top of Gordo's. Yeah, better.
You have to get one for downstairs too.
Yeah. So, and also love the hanging there. That hanging, that's for Mama's back door. So, yeah. Yun yung reason kung bakit I just wanted to give healthy food for Mama also. I think every job that we have, we need to make sure that we're doing our job like the right thing for them, especially if you're if you're working with like a healthcare. If you're a healthcare worker, you need to have the heart, compassionate heart, or the heart to take care of your patients. You know, it's really important, guys, because in that way, I know God will bless us with that. God will bless us with, you know, mahalaga yun. Kahit saan ka naman daw pumunta, whatever you do in your life, make sure that you are one of the vessel of the blessing from God.
She's cute. I said, what are you making? I said, vegetable. She goes, ah.
What?
And then she goes,
Tinanong ni Mama.
And then I said, we're making vegetables. She went like this. I go eat.
Mama is asking because she just woke up.
She barely ate this morning. She ate very little.
Yeah.
Now I know why she's hungry today.
Nagtatanong si Mama. Nagising kasi siya. Pagkalinis kasi namin niya sa kanya, tapos kumain siya ng almusal. Tapos nag-exercise, a little exercise. Medyo napagod yata si Mama. So, natulog siya. Nung ngayon, nagising siya siguro kasi maingay. Lakas kasi my voice is really loud. So, nung nagising siya, sabi niya, tinanong niya ko, ano daw hinahanda ko? She's asking, what are we preparing here? And then Pedro said, vegetables. Sumimamot. then Pedro said, ribs. Oh, she smiled.
She did that.
Happy face. Happy face.
Happy face.
She did.
She loves the Diwata's cooking.
Yeah.
Cooking.
Actually, guys, hindi ako ganun kagaling magluto. I don't cook really good. It's just that I'm trying.
Really?
Pedro always doesn't. He never agreed on that. Never agree on that. But I'm trying, you know, guys. It's not easy, but I'm trying. Good?
Yeah, but there's no toilet over here.
Put some of ours. We still have new.
This belongs in the laundry, not here.
Yeah.
The
Ouch.
problem is, we gotta go downstairs and put it down there. And we mop a lot, so yeah.
You know where I put the hagda? I put that there, love, so it's hiding. That I put it there, so it's hiding.
No, I just put it in the laundry, love. Let me, you know what? Let me wait till it's down because the floor is dirty. So I will try to clean the place every weekend.
So ano na tayo?
Not now though, because you have been working, so I don't want to do that.
Alam nyo guys, every time na nagluluto ako, kinakabahan ako dito. Gawa ng oil. Ay, nung oil nung usok. I'm always afraid about the on fire. Yung alarm. Fire alarm. Kahit di naman masyado mausok. Overreact.
I should have recorded you.
On fire. Kinakabahan kaya ako. I'm really scared lang.
So cute. The fire department is coming. Fire.
Yeah, ito. Pinagtatawanan ako ni Pedro.
I cannot do it here. Okay, never mind.
Yeah, love. Stop that.
Okay, sorry.
Magmamap siya.
Yelling at me? No. Video?
Yeah, no.
Yelling at me.
Alam nyo guys, he always telling me that I'm yelling at him. I'm not. Just me, I don't yell at him. Just telling him. Yan. So, ready na tayo. Nagasa ko na rin yung vegetables. So, lutuin lang natin yung ating sibuyas bawang. Sabi nila, yung onion, kailangan lang maging transparent siya. That's the indication na luto na siya. Then, continuous lang ng mixing para yung bawang di naman masunog. Para hindi mapait yung ating niluluto. Nagrereklamo si Pedro kasi bago lang itong kawali namin. Bakit daw sunog na? Siyempre, kailangan sunugin. Kailangan nating sunugin talaga yan. So, add na natin yung gulay. Gulay agad. Kasi saute lang naman to. So, may ano ka dyan, pechay. Ano ba ito? Chinese pechay. Sitsaro. Tengang daga. Mushroom. Bell pepper. Yan lang. Hindi naman masyadong madami kailangan kasi hindi makakain si mama. Si Pedro kakain niya konti lang. Ako lang, main lang kakain yan. So this time, we just need to put it, not in a higher fire first. Thank you, my love. So, para lang may lasa, lagyan natin siya ng oyster sauce. Konti lang. Nakatingin si Pedro. Ayaw niya yan eh. Then, toyo. Silver spoon po. Gusto ko to. Okay. Kunti lang din. Yan naman natin maging alat. Lagyan natin to adobo. Ito yung pinaka namin, guys. Ito yung pinaka parang magic sarap namin. So, konti lang din. Yan. Then, lagyan din natin ng goya na. Ito yung pinaka-pork, nila? Pork, what do you call this, love? Hindi, goya, like seasoning. Pork cubes. So, sa atin, pork cubes to.
Cube form or powder form?
Pero powder form itong ginamit ko. Hindi cubes. Yan. Konti lang din.
I think we should make all of them.
Huh? All?
All the ribs. You're gonna eat, I'm gonna eat, you might eat.
Oh, yeah. Can you put that nalablaw here?
Yeah.
These three?
Yeah.
Then, lagyan natin siya ng paminta. Paminta namin McCormick na black.
Okay.
Ay, hindi makakain si mama. Gusto ko kasi ng paminta. Then, tandaan nyo guys, ito, yung pinakasalsa niya. Yung pinakasarsa, yung pinagbabaran, lagyan natin yan. Lagyan natin ng konting asukal. Pero later na. Kasi lang natin yung apoy. Okay. Haluin lang natin. Lulutuin na natin yung gulay.
Are they crispy? Yeah, I think so. They look crispy to me. No. Wonderful. Perfect. Supposed to have a crispy outer shell.
Okay.
Oh yeah, this is good.
Haluin na natin siya.
Now I'm gonna put barbecue ready.
Yeah, high fire natin.
Barbecue sauce.
Oh,
So
put
good.
me some like 2 here.
2 of them?
Yeah. No, that's yeah, 2. Because that's mine. I want it to be here. Naglagay ako yung ibang crispy, hindi ko nilagay yung kay Mama at kay Pedro. Akin lang to. You don't want your ribs here, right?
Huh?
You don't want your ribs here?
No. They're fine. Well, maybe. Maybe because of the taste of the vegetables. But not right now. So the first one is roast, right?
Tikman natin to.
You said roast.
So, lalagyan na natin ng sugar para may...
How many minutes you put it? The roast?
Huh?
How many minutes? 35 minutes?
35, yeah, 35.
And the temperature? 350.
Lalagyan natin siya ng sugar.
Let's repeat that again. 360. I'm on level 360.
Sarap guys. Actually, si Pedro, di mo masyado kakain ito. Ako lang kaya. Yeah. Fire! Fire!
The light.
No, the light. I forget the light, guys. Oh, yan, guys. Ayan, kinuha na ni Pedro yung camera para focus na sa atin. Tikman lang natin, guys.
Yeah, we did these on the air fryer for 35 minutes on. They're not burnt, I promise you. They might. I don't know how they look in here, guys. They're good. And then roasted and then broiled for the outside crispiness, and then she threw them in here. Well, she's throwing hers in there because she wants the vegetable flavor. It smells good in here. It's really good. You like it?
Yeah, I like it so much.
I like it too. Sorry for the mess. We are cooking, so a lot of stuff everywhere. Here you go. That's the new wok that we bought, right? Ross, where we got this one? Or was it
Like 2 weeks ago?
Thirst or Ross? I don't know.
No, that's raw.
Ross, yeah. And that rice, we're gonna make Shanghai rice.
Shanghai rice. I need another wok lang.
Another wok.
Another wok.
Secondary wok is out. Now, she will continue to make her colorful meal.
Ayan natin yung
Now we're cooking 3 more ribs in there. Air fryer.
rice natin, sasangag natin.
Oil? What you put in there? Oil?
Oil.
That's canola, right? I think it is.
Canola.
She says she doesn't know how to cook. Yeah, okay. I don't know how to cook. Yes, you do. You're doing it right now.
Can you give me the...
What? What would you need? What can I give you?
What do you call that?
What?
Adobo?
Adobo? Oh, the seasoner. The Spanish, well, Puerto Rican seasoning. Adobo. She's gonna make her version of...
Ang ginagawa ko, pag hinahalo ko yung rice, nilalagay ko na po yung seasoner.
Seasoner? Oh, they got my bull head reflection in the microwave. Ooh, I see you.
Yeah.
So this is how you make Shanghai rice?
Yeah,
Well,
Shanghai rice.
everybody...
Do you want me
That
to
doesn't
put
know,
some egg on it or no egg?
Yeah, egg. Of course.
Egg.
You should put egg on that. Shanghai rice, love. We're running out of eggs, aren't we? Yeah, we eat a lot of eggs.
Chicken from yesterday.
We do? Oh, yeah, we got Popeye's chicken, too. Boy, you can throw some Popeyes in there. No?
No.
No? Why not?
This will be tomorrow.
Yes, 1 or 2 egg tender.
Ito lang natin yan.
High or low?
Higher.
It's on high now. I'm learning how to make Shanghai rice.
Yeah. Tuloy na natin yan. Lutuin muna natin to, guys.
It's like making scrambled eggs and then you add the rice. I thought you would like put the rice first and then add the egg, but
No, because the rice is already
done. Oh,
Ay, sorry.
Oh.
If the rice is soft, you don't do that, love. If the rice is soft, don't do that. Because the egg will make the rice soft. If it's if the rice is like hard, like tutong or old rice, then you do that. But this is for like
Right, so that's a heavy pan.
Yeah, it is.
You gotta work out to lift that thing. It's so heavy. I don't like it.
We get to, guys. Dahil ano to, medyo ano siya, dry. Lagyan pa natin ng konting mantika sa gilid.
Mantika.
Pwede natin siya lagyan ng
green
soy
cebolla.
sauce. Soy sauce lang.
Green cebolla, soy sauce.
Soy sauce. Thank you, love.
No problem.
Para i-brown lang natin. Para lang ma-brown siya.
Okay. Halo, halo. Oh, you got garbanzos here?
No, that's my stand.
Oh, phone stand. This is the phone stand. This is not a meal, guys. We're not eating that. It's a phone stand.
Yeah, I bought a new one.
See how creative we are?
Maybe tomorrow.
Today.
Today, yeah, today.
Gets it today.
I ordered that earlier.
You're missing the green.
Yeah, later lang. I need to mix everything first.
Oh, okay.
Make sure that everything is...
Sorry po, excuse me po.
So let's make sure that it's mixed well first. Even the color.
We're using why are you using a spatula instead of a spoon?
To like that.
Smash it.
Smash it.
Okay. Like instead of smash burger, smash rice.
Okay. Now I want to.
Smells good though.
I want
Yeah,
to
smells really good.
it first, so
Wow.
you can adjust the taste.
Like to taste it?
If it's salty, if it needs a lot more,
It's fine.
it's fine.
I mean, it could be a little bit more salty, maybe a little bit more sauce. I like it, but it's small.
Salt or this or that.
I think a little bit of that.
Okay.
Yeah, a little bit of soy sauce.
Okay, gusto pa doon ni
But
Pedro
it has salt in it too, so
yeah.
that's gonna make, it's only a little. Like, it doesn't need a lot.
Gusto daw ni Pedro ng toyo pa. Ayan.
That's it. I think that's about
You know, guys, when I was young, I used toyo or soy sauce as my ulam from kanin. That's all. And I'm sold with that. Sold na ako doon. Tapos,
scissors, right?
okay, cut lang natin to. Mama doesn't like this, right?
It's fine. She'll pick it out.
Okay.
Oh, you throw it in ours. whatever.
Let's separate now for Mama.
Yeah, I'll do it now. We'll just take it out and then just mix everything.
Yeah.
But she'll pick it out later. It's onions. She doesn't like anything. And nothing that looks green. She likes it.
No, she doesn't like green.
Green
Mama
is
doesn't
good for
like
you.
Greens, but greens is really good for us.
We don't have the mics. Why? Why no mics?
I always forget. Okay? So mag-separate na tayo ng para kay Mama. Like this man lang or more?
A little bit more, and that's it.
Okay,
Leave that
kay
for her.
Mama to.
Yep. So Mama.
Lagyan na natin yung...
Now she's gonna eat good. I'm dying to try one of these, man. You know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. Just gonna go ahead and do it. I don't even have the barbecue sauce in it, but she made this with her own seasoning sauce.
Wait, you taste this one.
Of course, it was good. Oh yeah.
Oh, you can put the barbecue sauce though.
Yep, I'm definitely in. This is very good. Well, yeah, she cannot cook, she says. Okay, whatever.
Okay.
We can open up a truck.
Oh, yan na. Mahal ako ng asawa ko. He really loves me and...
I love the cooking.
He really loves my food. Ayan. But you know what, guys? Ang gagawin ko dito.
That was good.
This.
Oh my God. Oh, that's a rib.
May gagawin ako dito, guys. Mainit na tubig.
Hot water, huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
I just realized.
Can I put this back on the stand?
Yeah.
On the Goya stands. Goya stands.
Because you're tired.
No, I gotta get the barbecue sauce. Sorry, guys.
Guys, lagyan natin ng kanton na pansit. Kasi yung beef mix nito, ginamit ko. So, para magamit natin to. Lagyan natin dun sa gulay ko. Do you like this pansit too, love? This pansit.
Yeah.
But you have rice.
Yeah, I'll have rice here.
Yeah, so akin lang pala to. Ayaw niya dito. Ay, may rice naman siya. Ito yung magiging pansit ko later. Ay, kanin ko.
Wow, this is amazing. Next level. It's really good. Go.
Uy, Mama is ready na to eat. Everything is ready for Mama. Feeling ko, guys, ako lang ang kakain ng gulay. No, we need to eat the vegetable too.
Just making sure it's safe for Mom.
Ayan, guys. Lutuin lang natin yan, tapos itatap natin doon sa gulay natin.
Okay.
Ayan, guys, nilagay ko na yung pansit canton.
Whatever.
Ayan. Kasi feeling ko parang masarap to may pansit canton. Ayan. Ayan, kumukuha na siya ng kanin niya. Guys, ito si Pedro kumain. Ayan na, guys. Show them your food, love. Ayan, guys. So, sarap. Yan, oh, you can
Can I get
say
cabbage in here? Cabbage?
Oh, I don't like cabbage.
Oh, you gonna have?
Yeah, but you can have this also, love.
Just a few.
Yeah.
Just throw in a few.
This is good down.
Okay,
That,
thank you.
and you
Red
can
pepper?
eat this bell pepper.
Thank you, that's it.
No, wait.
Okay.
This is important too.
Is that mushroom?
No, it's not mushroom.
Okay,
It's,
that's it, I got lava beans. No, that's it.
No,
Come on.
eat that. Hindi pilit ko sa kumain.
Ready to see it? Look at it.
Okay guys, ito na yung food niya. Oh, diba? Good job.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Pansit kanto na to.
Eat ready.
Kain na kami guys. Can you get me a plate too, love?
Yeah.
Let's eat together. So ito yung ano ko, yung ribs ko. Pansit canton.
You need the other one there.
It's okay. Look at that, guys.
That looks good.
then yung
Is that
ating
mushroom?
vegetable, yeah.
Oh, you put mushrooms in there.
Oh,
Oh, the other ones too. Fiber. For tae.
yeah, that's for that eh.
But
So, ito yung sa akin, guys. Basic canton, yung vegetable natin, tapos yung, what's this?
Ribs.
Okay. Guys, it's a mess. Look at the kitchen. The kitchen is a mess. Look. It is a mess. Look that. Look at that. I'm still cooking there.
I'm sending a picture to Lisa.
So guys, ito na yung food natin. Oh, so good guys. Pansit canton. Pero sauce ko yan. Tapos yung vegetable, meron diyang mushroom, bell pepper, sitsaro, meron siyang Chinese pechay. Ito yung ribs natin. Ito naman yung kay Pedro, sitsaro, kasi hindi siya nakain ng mushroom. Sitsaro, fried rice. Yung ano niya, yung ribs na barbecue. Pero hindi ko sinama doon sa pagluluto ng pansit ko. From here kasi, niluto niya na, I mean, nilagay niya ng barbecue sauce. Ito yung barbecue. Ito yung talagang known here na barbecue sauce nila. So, timplado na siya. Masarap siya. So, yan na. Meron pa kami nakasalang dyan na 3 pieces. Kasi si Gordo kakain din. Tapos nakasalang sa akin bread. White bread. So good. Thank you, Lord. Ito na yung judgment time. Tingnan natin yung canton. Thank you, Lord, for this meal. Bless this food, O Lord. In Jesus' name, Amen.
I have prayed already.
And I pray na si Pedro.
You like it?
Like it?
You like it?
This pansit canton talaga. Ang galing.
The ribs almost done.
Oh my goodness.
Mm-hmm.
Para tayong ano. You know, I feel like we're
working out.
No, we're working out again. Ay, bunga nga. Working out. Feeling ko kumakain kami na sa labas. I feel that we're eating outside, love. Hindi kami nag-almusal. Bale, eto na, brunch na to. So, drinks niya. Ako kape. Kape. Tinimpla niya ang kape. I feel that, feeling ko kumakain kami sa labas. Dab.
Yeah.
I feel that we're eating outside.
Yeah.
Like in a restaurant.
You charge for this in places. So,
This will cost like $40, no? 60, 70.
20 a plate. Especially when you add meat.
So good. And here, I can eat everything that I like. Like the mushroom, then pancit canton. Because I really like pancit canton.
It's good though.
Yung vegetable ko, half cook lang to. Bell pepper matamis. Kasi half cook lang. Sitsaro half cook. Kaya crunchy.
Can you add chicharron to this rice? No.
I can.
Okay.
If we have chicharron. The good thing about you're the one who's cooking it, you can add anything. Because you're the boss of your food, your own food. You can put anything you want.
Oh my God.
In the restaurant, you cannot do that.
No. They only have whatever's on the menu.
Actually, what I did is like a new menu.
Yeah. I should have brought a knife. Here we go. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going?
The package is already here. I ordered that 1 hour ago.
Where are you going? Shopping again. Tina? Look, look.
I ordered this 1 hour ago and it's already here, love.
Yeah, welcome to Prime. Amazon Prime.
Tignan nyo guys, ang galing talaga.
Amazon Prime.
Ang galing guys. Alam nyo, in-order ko to 1 hour ago. Yung time na nagluluto ako, parang, yeah, mabilis naman ako magluto. Bago ako magluto, like 1.5 hour ago. And nandito na siya. Kasi meron yata kami dito, malapit sa aming ahas. So, ang galing talaga dito. Hindi ka maghihintay. So, open na natin to. Ano to guys? Order ko to. Yung camera holder. So, yan. Tingnan natin guys. Eto. Kasi sabi ko, itong camera holder kong to, ano siya guys? Pang desktop lang siya. Gusto ko minsan pag nakatayo ako, yung buong isang nakatayo kasing taas ko. So ito to guys, tripods siya na tripod stand face tracking. Kasi ito, face tracking din to guys. Ayan o, dito tinatrack. So, umiikot to pag kailangan. Ito, gamit ko rin yan. Dalawa yung binili ko kay Pedro tsaka sa akin. So, susundan ka kung saan ka pumupunta. So, ito naman, stand siya. Buksan natin siya. AI camera. So, US key vision. Tripod stand face strap. So, sabi dito, adjustable siya, stable, portability, wireless, and automatic. Siyempre, made in China again. China made everything. Ang worker is nasa China. So, buksan natin. Ang bilis naghahapit ba si Amazon? Parang naghahapit siya, no? So, yung specifications niya is, dimension niya is 80 by 47 by 320 mm. Materials niya is ABS plus metal. I don't know what's ABS. So, buksan na natin siya, guys. Natutulog pa si Mama. Tingnan natin kung ano yung laman sa loob. So, maganda yung box niya. So, meron siyang dalawang ilaw. Dalawang ilaw, guys. Parang ito. Ito may dalawa ding ilaw. Pero maliit lang. Parang bili ko dito, $25. Dito sa stand na to. Ito, $45. Itong stand. Parang times 2 lang, So, may dalawa siyang ilaw na kasama. Tapos na natin yan. May wire siyang kasama. And yung tripod itself. So, yung tripod niya, pwede daw siya. Nakita ko kasi ito. Yan, gaganyan mo lang siya. Eto. Sige, sample natin ko tayo. Sisirain ko pa dyan. Kuha tayo ng cellphone. Try natin siya. Alam ko ano to. Compatible to kay Apple. At saka kay smartphone. So, ito lang siya, nahihila lang siya. Okay. So, ang alam ko, pwede ito maging ganitong style mo. So, pwede mo siyang ganyan. Para, what do you call that? Handle? Or tripod na pwede mo siyang gamitin ganyan. Yan. Then, tingnan natin kung paano to. Ito yung face detection niya. Ito yung power button. And this is the camera. And let's see kung meron to. Ay, kasi ano siya, wala siyang remote. Kasi alam ko meron tong parang signal. No, face detector siya at the same time. Pwede mo siya na hand gesture. So, pag stop. Then, pag i-go mo, like, i-go mo ng i-okay sign mo. So, let's see kung paano to. So, sabi dito, ito yung phone clip. Ito na po yung phone clip. Then, yung knobs, para ito, pwede mo kasi siyang paluwagan, pwede mo siyang ilakigpitan. Ito. Then, tracking head. See? Yung tracking head niya, ito yung tracking head, yung camera niya. Then, tracking head is this. I think this. I don't know. But ito yung tracking camera. Lock switch. Sa likod, ito yung lock switch. Then, rocker handle. Ito yung rocker handle. Ito. Telescopic rod. Ito yung telescopic rod niya. So, yan guys, nangahabaan siya. As in, super haba. Tingnan natin kung gaano kahaba. Tingnan natin. Then, ang taas na ng cellphone ko. Tapos, ito yung tripod support niya. I just don't know how to do it. Oh, yan. Bubukas siya, guys. Tingnan natin kung gaano siya kataas. Tingnan natin. Mataas siya, guys. Oh my goodness. Ito yung cellphone ko. Makikita ko sa inyo. Ay, ito na yung cellphone. So, ang taas. So, adjust lang natin siya ng ganito. Kasi ito lang yung normal. So, ito lang. Guys, so, look at this. It's so, ito yung pinakamataas siya, guys. Look at that.
I know.
Yan. But this is just the normal. Ito lang yung normal niya, guys. Ayan lang. Then, setup natin. So, guys, ano pala to? May remote pala. Sorry naman. Ayan, may remote. Pwede pa rin tanggalin yung remote. Ayan, o. So, balik lang natin. Pwede pala. So, guys, ito pala yon. So, para mag-start ka, gamitin mo to. Okay? Gamitin mo to start the phone. But, you can remote or gesture, control this image, camera or face detector by gesture. So, pwede mo siya, to go. Go na siya. Sumusunod na siya sa akin, guys. But pag sinabi kong stop, pag inanya ko siyang stop, mag-blink yung green light niya. Okay? Sumusunod siya sa akin. Stop ko siya. Stop. Yan. Hindi na siya nasunod. Hindi na siya nasunod, guys. Pero pag gesture ko is yung 3 or yung okay, susunod na siya sa akin. Yan, guys. Ayun, yung pala yun. Tapos dito, para hindi siya umikot, ito yung rotation. Meron siya dito. Stop natin, guys. Ito, may lock siya dito. So, ganun pala siya, guys. Magandang, guys. Tignan nyo. Ngayon, ililipat ko na kayo dito para makita natin yung level. So, since meron naman akong remote sa cellphone ko, sa watch ko, eto, remote ko to. So, meron pa rin akong remote na hawak ko. Hindi ko kailangan pang hawakan to. So, balik natin to. Meron siyang lagayan dyan. Ito yung gagamitin ko. So, pwede ko to i-disconnect na sa phone ko. Dito sa iPhone. Kasi ito na yung remote ko eh. Then, ang kailangan lang natin activation. Meron naman gesture dito. So, mas okay. So, guys, ito na yung ginagamit natin. Ang ganda. Oy, ang ganda. I love it. So, ayan. Oh, kasi nagganito ako, nag-stop siya. So, para i-go natin, ayun. Okay? Nung i-stop natin, hindi na kayo susunod sa akin, guys. Okay, di na nasunod. Naka-stop na siya. Okay. Sumusunod na siya ulit. Okay, sumusunod ulit siya. So guys, ang gamit ko kanina ito. Ito yung gamit ko kanina. So, ganda rin siya. Pero I just realized, pwede ko nang i-disconnect